Hi guys, Ralph here, putting this back together again, shall we say. Right, let's get rid of that board because I've just finished filming the dismantling. Everything is clean enough in here, so I put that ring back on there. I didn't go too deep in this, didn't need to. There's your hard drive caddy, that can go in place. Right, this is the only awkwardish bit. To put the power supply in and make sure it's right, then the SATA cable. They don't sit and bolt into place. That's the weird thing about these. That is just sat on pegs at the bottom here. So, done. Next part, I want the top. That has gone somewhere over here. See, the thing with it is you're this deep in, done, happy, but then you have to put this back on. Just kind of the weirdest thing about this. Put it on the right way around, it will just slot onto place. Now you put your 5 screws, one there, one in the middle, one on the side, one on the top, and one on the top. Screw them back into place. You don't need to go just ballistic. Fifth one over here. Now what I want to do is put this back on and to push the ribbon cable back onto here. That's the only awkward bit about this. It has actually got a covering around it, so it will hold it in place a little bit. The best way of doing it is probably bringing this a bit further down to here and then sliding it in place. Oh, it was awkward. Slide it in, push that in, make sure that's around the back. It's kind of a security thing, stop it falling out. So that's done and sorted. Push this back in place, which top side will go in, bottom side showing there. No problem so far. Let's get the top, the side. This should go in that way around first to get underneath the front section, and this should just clip into place there and there. Now, let's go for, before I forget, the Wi-Fi card, the Bluetooth card, or whatever it is. Put it in one way. Get the screwdriver. That keeps flying everywhere. It flew over in the last video. That's just to secure everything in place, even though you shouldn't really need it. Right, so I need one of these. Now, I think that was the one we had for there. It's the one with all 6 large. You know, some of the other one. This is for the top. You have a small one. This is for the, well, this is for the bottom. The one with the hard drive on it, shall we say? Because this should be the top, right? So we have 6 large. It will only go in one way, I think. Yes. So if you can see there, you've got the 2 tongues that want to go inside the tab. It doesn't line up, so it only goes in one way. So that just goes, pushes in place, clicks in, done, happy. That is not for this side. This is. So this will cover over that completely, so you don't actually see it. So you can go tabs in now. Now the other part's broken off. That fits in nicely. And then we get this full section here. I think this goes in one way. You got 1 tab there, you got 2 holes. So it only goes in one way. Very flexible plastic. Goes in, pushes in, clips in place. Turn over. Same again on this side. You haven't got, that is not broken off that side, by the way. It hasn't got one there. So you got 1, 2 there. So this will just clip into place. Happy. Put the hard drive in the right way around. This will just slide in and click into place. And last few pieces there. This goes in. Remember that large tab there as well, so you're probably best maybe putting that in first, then pushing in and on. If you've got any of these plastic tabs that are actually plastic welded into this thing, if you want to take them all off, or if you want to check whether or not any are bent up, like that one was a little bit, then you can either cut them off or straighten them out, so they will actually go back into the holes. So that's almost ready and done. That will go in one way, right up against here. Happy. And this is just a cover, goes in there and clicks in place. Done. Happy. Sorted. And no spare parts laying around. Good. So everything will work. That's now plugged inside there. Got a nice little flap there for the USBs in the front. Power button there. Happy. Sorted. So that's just a mirror of the other one I've just done anyway, but it's how to assemble Xbox 360 S. So yeah, easy to put back together than what it is to take to pieces. If it's a brand new one, nobody's ever opened it, it's a little tricky on the plastic tabs which hold in the flatter plate underneath the grill on here, but other than that, it's a simple opening plastic case with a metal box inside. Done. Very simple, very easy. Clean out as much as you can. They collect dust, they've got a fan, it's what happens anyway. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow me on social media. If you want to donate something, this was Leslie's donation to the channel. If you want to see your name on the scroll at the front, her name's going to be on there until Christmas. And yeah, get in touch, description down below. Other than that, I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.